All right, so if you can't find your most recent designs in these little colorful tabs that you might remember from the course, you can go to projects, and then they should all be down here. So we're going to start with this first one that was called Teacher Essentials. I'm going to open that up. And what I did here is I took a screenshot of the first page so that I knew the ones that I wanted. So I'm going to put that into grid view. So the very bottom left-hand corner, I'm going to go into grid view, and then I'm going to come back to my page, and then the next one, I've put my name in front of all of them. I'm going to open that up. And I'll click that to grid view so I can get all the pages. So here I need page 1. I'm going to hold the shift key, 2, 3, and then I'm going to click copy. And I'm going to come back to my original, and I'm just going to click Control V to paste. I ended up with an extra guy there. I don't need that. Okay, so now I need Magic Studio. So we can come back here, go to Home, Projects, and I want Student Activities. I'll go to Grid again. Can copy both of those. Should be the one. So I'll go to Grid View again and put my cursor on the last slide, Control V to paste. There they are. So we've got the blue, the pink, the turquoise. Plan a lesson. This purple one. Take both of those. And there we go. Oops. Feedback is the one I think I'm missing. Ooh, there I am. Take both of those, copy, and click on the last slide, Control V to paste. So now I have my whole course. I'm going to go to share. And to share, what we're going to do is we're going to go to a public view link, which it says here you can delete at any time. And that just makes it easy to share with me. And so in your Google Classroom, that is the link that you will submit. And I'll be able to check out all of your designs. And while you're at it, if you have your certificate, you should put your certificate on that last page as well.